Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Focus A6 pair of headphones from Oneodio. This thing comes in at around $80, so let's take a look at the box and see what we got. So this has a 500 milliamp hour battery. It is chargeable by USB-C. Charging time in 1.5 hours. There's active noise canceling on and off. There's a 40 millimeter driver with 20 to 40 kilohertz frequency range, Bluetooth 6, and a transmission distance of about 10 meters. Inside the box comes the headphones, USB-C cable, and a user guide. So let's open this up and see what we got. So opening this up, we have the box, and we're just going to take a look inside. And there we have it. So we're going to see what we have here because we have the pair of headphones. And let's look at the accessories first. So the accessories are in here, which means that there is a user manual as well as headphones as well. So we open this up like so, pull this out, and there we have it, the user manual, which I'm not going to go through. We also have a fairly long USB-C to USB-C cable, which is nice. And I'm going to put that aside, and we're going to put all this aside and take a look at the pair of headphones themselves. And here we have the pair of headphones. I got them in this kind of gold/beigey color. They're a little bit bigger than I thought they would be. They look a little smaller in the photos. Right now, it does feel very light, and it doesn't feel super sturdy, but it is able to be folded flat like so that it's easily stored. And then when you want to use it, you just kind of turn it this way. And there's a headband that you can extend and retract on both sides as well, like so. And everything here is plastic, there's no metal, even though this kind of looks like, oh no, that is metal actually. That's like a metal band over there. And everything else is plastic. We have, I don't know what this is, what these holes are for, maybe for air circulation. We have a couple of buttons here. We have active noise canceling, on off, volume up, volume down. We also have an LED indicator as well as a USB-C port. And on this side, we have nothing, it's absolutely clean. And we have a couple of words in there. And finally, the two ear cups, which I hope are going to be big enough to fit around my ears. Okay, so I'm going to test it out and let you know. Okay, so I've been testing out these earphones for about 4 or 5 days now, and I'm very pleased to say that for the most part, I'm quite satisfied with these pair of headphones. So I'll first talk about the compactness. This thing can't fold, right? So you cannot fold it like you would in the other, like the Bose or the Sonys, where one side will fold all the way in. So it is like this, and it won't get any smaller than that. This thing also doesn't come with a case, so with travel, you probably have to put it in some sort of bag if you want to protect the soft fabric here as well as the ear cups from any damage. In terms of size, this thing will open and close to about yay high, but I'll be honest, that is not very big. So if you have a big head, this will probably not fit you, so just beware. I've got a big head for whatever size I am, but it does fit me pretty well. I don't have to do this for the to extend it out. It doesn't feel super sturdy, but then again, this is a very, very light piece of kit. So I barely felt this on my head as I was using these to edit my videos or watch YouTube videos as well. However, because it's summertime and it's very hot, there was a heat wave, so I did get very hot while I was wearing these headphones for, I want to say, about half an hour, and then my ears started sweating, so that was kind of disgusting. But that's just a price you have to pay with earphones in general. So oh, oops, never mind, these ones do fold. I just never noticed it until now, so I guess they do fold, so that makes it just a little bit more compact. But yeah. Let's talk about the sound and the noise canceling. So the sound on these headphones are actually pretty good. So I do like them. There's a decent amount of bass. It's fairly clear, but I'd say it won't blow your socks off. These aren't super expensive headphones, but they do sound pretty good. And I will say that I'll say the technology has gotten so good that even cheaper headphones like these, I think these are like under $100, do sound quite good. You got your 3 buttons here, and the active noise canceling on these headphones are, I'll say decent. They're not amazing. So they're, again, pretty far off from, let's say, a Bose Quiet Comfort, for example, or a Sony. However, they do the job pretty well. So when I put this on, I can't hear like ambient noise. I live pretty near a highway. I can't really hear the car noise anymore. It is nice and quiet, so I do like it. I do feel a tiny bit of pressure on my ears as when the active noise canceling is on, so it's pretty good. And of course, the elasticity here clamps on your ears and creates a seal as well. I haven't tested these in airplanes, but they should be pretty decent. The other thing as well is that these earphones here have pretty good battery life. I've used them for about 4 days. I probably used it for, I want to say, 8 hours, and I have not had to charge them yet. So pretty good overall. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Please check it out. Please check the link that I have in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.